Hi my little stars, welcome back to my channel. So today I brought you a Stitch Fix for this month, my second one for July. So let's see what I got. Yeah, my box. Happy. Okay, so let's open it. I need something to cut with. Okay, I got it cut out. Alright, so let's see what I got. So I actually I wrote to my stylist and I told him his name is Matt. So I told him that my birthday is coming up, is July 31st. So I wanted some cute clothes that I can wear for my birthday. So let's see what he got me. Gonna check any of this. So let's start with my package. Ooh, I see some red. This is that first shirt. It's just a simple shirt. Hello. So that's cute. I like it. I will wear it. It's off the shoulder. See the bottom is stretchy. Yeah, the bottom stretchy, so that's it. Good. That's good. There goes one. What is this? It's shorts. Oh, I got a skirt. That's cute. I don't know about the color because I don't know what we wear with, but let's see it. So it's cute. It has a stretch. I think that's the back. Yeah. So the back has a nice elastic, and the front is just this. The only thing I don't like much is this over here. I don't like that much. It's gonna actually add volume on the bottom of my belly. So, but let's see how it looks. So I got another navy shirt. This is like my second one that he sent, and I already have. I kept one from my last Stitch Fix, and I have one at home also that looks similar. So this is really cute, but I don't know about the neck because it's gonna be too high for summer. But I like this. That is so cute. And the back is like an opening on the back. I like it. It's really nice. This is like my style, but I don't know. I feel like I have two navies, one, and I haven't even wear the other one anywhere yet. So, ooh, I like this, but I don't know. I like the material. The material is almost like a, I don't know, just say like bathing suit, but softer, kinda, I think. And this kind of material like sticks to my body a lot, and unless it's flowy. So I don't know how it's gonna fit on my body because it always like stuck to like the ugliest part of my body. But I really like the color. It's like a nude color, like pink, light pink, peach. Really cute. And it ties in the front, on the side, or on the back. Well, this one is tied on the front, so let's see. I like it. And last one, oh, another white pants. Last time I was sent a white pants. Oh my god, I love this so much, but it was way too expensive. So hopefully this one is not that expensive. It's cute. I like the pockets in the front. What does it have? No. There's no pockets, just a zipper. And the back has no pockets either, so I like that. So let's try it on. Okay, my little stars. So I have this skinny pants on white. So the cost for this pants is $48. Like, that's really good compared to the last pants I try on. It was I believe it was like $84. This is like half the price of it. So, and I like it. So what do you guys think? This is the white with the zipper. Well, the zipper it doesn't work. It's just to show. This is the back of the pants. And it's not long all the way down. It's like above my ankles. So I really like it because it's so difficult to find pants for me because I'm short. So I like it. They're really soft. They're really stretchy. I might have to ask for like one size smaller, or probably I'll just stay with this because it's not that big, like this much. So, but you definitely have to wear like white underwear under it because it will show everything, because it's really thin. The material is really thin, so you have to wear something white under it to not show. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the other one. Okay, my little star. So this is the other shirt. This is the navy blue. It's a size medium, and this one is $42. Sorry about that. That's my TV. So loud. I'm sorry. I forgot to pause it. Okay. Anyways, all right. So this is the shirt. It's really cute. I really love the design. Like, the design of it is so cute. Well, that's my bra. Don't mind my bra. So yeah, so cute like that. But I think it's a little bit too tight for me on the twin. So, but down here it's nice, but over here it's like too tight. I feel like it's like squishing me. So it's really nice. I like it. And this is the back. It has a cute opening on the back. Of course, you have to wear a different bra with this because I'm using this one. But it's really nice. It looks nice with the pants too. I like it. So that's cute. I love the side. And I have a dress, navy blue dress that has exactly the same here, but it doesn't have this. Like this, and it's all dressed. So yeah. But I really like the pants with the navy. Looks cute. So let's go for the next one. Okay, so this is the next top. It's actually really cute. I didn't thought I was gonna like it as much. So this one is the light blue in size medium, and it's $44. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. I really like it too. I don't know about you guys. What do you guys think? It looks really cute with the pants also. So I like to cover up a little bit. See? So it's actually really cute. I didn't thought I was gonna like it that much, but I really do. That's cute. It has this. What do you, my little stars, think? Should I keep it? I like it. So anyways, I want to check what they recommend this to be used as. With, okay, this with white pants and tan sandals. They're cute. Look at that. That's the shirt with the white pants, or it can be a skirt, which I don't think so. But I have a red one. Maybe I can try it. So yeah, that's why it looks really nice with the white pants. I like how it looks. That's cute. Even though that keeps going up, I like it lower like this. Yeah. Alright, my little stars, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try the skirt. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so scared because I don't usually wear like fluffy skirts, so let's see. Alright, my little stars, so my stylist suggested to try this top with the skirt, so I don't really like it, but let's see. So this is the top and this is the skirt. Oh no, feels like this is too loose, this is too loose, maybe. I put a little bit higher, maybe like that. I think it looks better. Like the back is longer, so that's a plus. So sometimes, you know, when you wear a skirt, like the top front is nice and long and the back side is like higher. This one is cute because the sides are higher, actually. See, the sides are higher, but the front is a little bit long and the back is longer. So that's actually really good for the skirt. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it makes me look more chubby with this and this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and try what it says right here. You see the skirt with this shirt. I have something similar to that, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Okay, my little stars, did I tell you how much the skirt was? I don't think so. So the skirt is also $44. So like most of these things is on the 40s. So this is the top that I have, and this is the skirt. So I think like this looks much better, like for me, I think. And the skirt is a little bit higher, so my legs look a little bit longer. So, and I changed shoes to this one because I think it's gonna make my legs look longer. So yeah, I like the skirt. Not crazy about it, but I like it. As you can see the line for my top. So yeah, I think it's really cute if you pair them like this. And also say with a black top. Maybe I can try with a black top. So so yeah, I think it's cute. It has 2 layers. It has this one that is really kind of sheer, and it has this other one for the bottom. So I have this one and this one, so 2 layers for the skirt. But it's cute. This is, I kind of don't like this. There's like something there, but I mean it's cute. It's a nice detail, but I don't know. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the last one, which is the jumper. Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Alright, my little stars. Okay, this last one is the pink one, the romper, size medium, and this one is $48. So this is the top. It's really cute. It's loose, kind of. It's not that tight, so I like that. This is the belt, and it's like this. So what do you guys think? I kind of like it. I feel like I'm kind of disappearing on it because it's like almost my skin color, I guess. This is the side, this is the back. So yeah, you can see my bra, so you have to choose a different bra. And this is the back of the shorts. Yeah, so it's nice, simple. It's really soft. I don't know what kind of how should I say this? I don't even know what kind of fabric it is. I don't really know about anything about fabric. So this one says you can wear it with a nice top, like that. It's like a jacket, a white jacket, or this one. I don't know what that one's called, but yeah. Okay, so I'm wearing this one. It's not exactly like this one, because this is one more like leather. The other one is more like a different material, like a, you know, when you go out and dress nice material, that kind of material. So this, just want to see how it looks with something white on top. I think it looks okay. Not too crazy about it, but yeah. So I also have a black one here. I think just with this kind of jacket doesn't look good, because it's more like leather jackets. So and it looks better with this one than the other white one. So this is the other one. Yeah, definitely looks, with this one looks a lot better. Alright, let me check what else I have. Okay, my little start. So I got this one. I actually got this from Stitch back in, I believe it was during winter. So I tried this with this necklace. So I think with this and this looks really cute. I don't know, what do you guys think? The back. So yeah. And I actually got this necklace from Wish. So if you want to go see my Wish videos, you can go and see them. But I don't think I have this one yet, because this is a new one I just purchased. So yeah, I'll have to do a new video on that one. But yeah, with this black one, I think it looks cute. So how about this, the white pants with this nice black top. Ooh, it's gonna look so cute. Yeah, so alright, my little stars, this is the end. I mean, this looks nice with this, but if I take it out, I don't think it looks that nice. Or I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, my little stars. So the total for everything is $226. If I buy all 5 items, of course I'll get that $56.50 discount. That's 25% off. So my total will be $169.50. And since I already paid the $20 styling fee, that's gonna be taken away, so everything will be $149. So it's not that bad. It's actually $150 for all 5 pieces. I think it's really good, because I really like it. I like almost all of them. I even like the navy one, but I already purchased the navy last time. So if I wouldn't have purchased that one from last week, I mean from like 2 weeks ago, I would have definitely get this one, because I like this one way better. So yeah, but I not sure what I'm gonna stay with. I believe I'm gonna stay with the white pants, the light blue off the shoulder top that with the ruffles, and maybe with the skirt. I'm not sure. And I don't know about this one, because I don't know, it makes me look more like fat, I think. And my back, I don't like it, like really loose. So yeah, I don't know, but I definitely love it with the seals. I love them, they're so cute. Alright, my little stars, I hope you guys liked the Stitch Fix. I really liked it. Definitely like this one. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I don't like it that much. Like, I love the style. I love, oof, I wish I can keep it, but I don't think it looks really good on me. And I'm not sure about the navy top because I have another one that looks similar to that one, but I like this one better. Well, if you guys want to subscribe to Stitchfix, I leave my reference number on the bottom so you guys can go ahead, try it out for the first time. And if you use my reference number, you will not be charged for the styling fee. That's the $20 that goes to your whatever thing you're gonna purchase. If you don't like anything, they won't take the 20 away from you. So that's good. Whew. I made a big mess. This is like the first time I made a big mess in my room. Look at that. I dropped everything. So, oops. So now I gotta go and I gotta clean up. So thank you, my little stars. Hugs and kisses. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't so. Alright? Bye. Yeah. Okay, my little stars.